Remember how much fun it was to catch glow bugs in a jar? Well, let's do something where we can do it all year long. Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. I can remember when I was a kid and I was always running around trying to catch little glow bugs in my hand or in a jar and watching them glow and sparkle, like little fairies in a jar. Well, now, thanks to the Dollar Tree, we can do this all year long. We're going to make this little glow bug lantern. Isn't this adorable? And this came from the Dollar Tree. They start out looking like this, and they're just plastic, and I'm going to show you how to take it apart and make it your own personal little glow bug catcher. And you won't even have to run around and catch them. They'll always be there. All you have to do is flick the switch. So, let's get to work. Alright, first thing you have to do is to basically take the whole thing apart. Now, this is going to be one of those crafts where it is totally up to you what it wants to look like. So, if you look underneath the lid here, you'll see these tabs. There's one on each side, like that. And what you want to do is basically flick this up, like that. Just get something underneath and pull this little piece of plastic out. And then you want to pop the handles out and take them out. And I don't use the handles. I'm going to be using twine, but if you want to use the handles, that is totally up to you. Like I said, this is your imagination type thing. So we have the lid, the handle, and this will slide right out. This is the part where you're going to be sticking your stickers. And then you have the inside, and this is the little tea light, and it pops right out if you've got some strength. There we go. Just like that. And this one, I haven't even pulled the tab on it yet. So, now, if you want yours a different color, say you want it white, or this is gray, you can take these pieces, the pieces that you want, and if you're using the handle, and you can take them out and spray paint them any color you want. You can grab your acrylic paint and some sponges or brush or whatever, and you can paint it any color you want. Totally up to you. I already have a white one. I'm going to leave this one black, believe it or not. I'm not even going to mess with it. So, once you've got it all apart, and once you've figured out what color you want it, let it dry, and then work on this. Now, for this, you can use stickers. And I also got these from the Dollar Tree, and they have little bugs and flowers and all kinds. And all you would have to do is open them up. You have to be a little bit smarter than me. Scissors. we go. I think I got it. It's fighting me. Okay. Oh my gosh, they have sealed that this would last through a apocalypse. Okay. So we have our stickers. Okay. And you can take your little stickers. Say you want, I like this little ladybug. Keeps staring at me. And just put them towards the middle. And there's another little bug. That doesn't want to come up. See? But basically just let your kids, just like with the painting, let your kids go crazy with the paint, any color they want, but put a couple of these. Or if you happen to have, like I do, a Cricut machine or a Silhouette machine, vinyl cutting machine, you can make your own little funny looking bugs, like I did, and just, they're just bug silhouettes, and use some scrap vinyl. Stick them on there just like you would the stickers. There you go. See? Just like that. Use your imagination. You could also use like black marker. Grab a black marker. And the one time I don't have one right in front of my face, here we go. Make your own little bug silhouettes. A couple circles. Some wings. There you are. That's all there is to it. You can draw them, stick them on with vinyl, use stickers, use your imagination. Doesn't have to be bugs. You could put a fairy silhouette, have a fairy in a jar. Just some inspiration. That is what I'm here for. And then after you have that, just slide it back in. Like that. And I'm going to be using, instead of the regular black handle that came with it, you know me, I have some twine. Also got it from the Dollar Tree. And, well, you ever have one of those days? I'm having one. My hands aren't working, my mouth isn't working. Yeah, well, right. And so we are going to trim this down so it will go through the hole. Not so frayed. Poke it through like this. And remember, they have the tabs, so you want this tab to face this slot, like that. Slide this through this hole into the inside, like that. Tie yourself a little knot. figure out about how long you want this. I'm going to say just about there. Same thing, put it to the top. Through the hole. Tie your knot. Like that. Alright, then you slide this down and you slide the tabs back in. You'll hear a little click if you get it right. See? Just like that. Then pull your little paper tab, click it on, like that. Slide that back up. And there you have your little glow bug lantern. And how cute, right? How easy. So for $1 and a little bit of time, alright, if you're going to buy the stickers, $2, but look how many you can make with one sheet of stickers. Holy cow. Or if you've got vinyl, or if you happen to have a marker in front of your face, which I have already lost mine. So imagination, just a little bit of imagination, and any child would love this for a nightlight, running around outdoors with, inside the house with. Just too much fun. So much fun. So, I hope you enjoyed my little inspiration, something to do on a lazy afternoon. Hand your kid a plastic lantern, take it all apart for them, let them go to town, see what happens. With some paint, markers, stickers, and a little bit of child's imagination, you never know what you're going to come up with. It's so much fun. And it keeps them busy for a minute. So I hope you enjoyed, and I really do hope that you enjoy coming here and sitting down with me at my craft table and letting my little childish inspiration take over for a while. And I really appreciate those that do come every time. And if you liked it, you know the spiel. Hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Tell me how you're doing. How's your week been going? If you've got any questions, if you'd like me to do a certain type of tutorial, or even if I haven't done it before, I will try it. Trust me, I love trying new things. So I hope you have a great week.